you click the button. Hello everybody, welcome back to yet another exciting episode, Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG right here, the fat man under the hat. I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. Today's episode, if you're one of them low carburetor people, like my old lady over there watching TV, the dingo's looking at me funny too. I gotta show you guys the puppies too today sometime, during this episode even. Pizza is a bitch to make, because there's no crust. Well, you might have seen it somewhere else, but I'm here to show you an easy way to do this, and if BLG can make it, so can you. We're going to do a, check it out, chicken pizza crust. Yes, you heard me right. Let's come over here. What we have here is 1 pound ground chicken. I just ground it myself. It's actually still a little cold because it goes through the grinder easier. You saw the grinder in, I believe it was chicken salad episode. Watch chicken salad. Show you how to use the grinder and break it down and clean it. So you can see there's dampness. You don't want that. No. So you take a bunch of paper towels, like about like this, and you want to squish as much of this wetness out of here as you can. You want it to be as dry as you possibly can without leaving paper towel in your chicken, unless you like paper towels. BLG does. So do I, actually. They're tasty. Dip this, smack it around, get a bunch of this out. You can use canned shredded chicken stuff. You have to really like open the lid and then press the shit out of it and then pat it with a paper towel. Dry as possible. We're making a crust, not a chicken dinner. No! No! So you go like this. Get that fairly dry like so. Not too bad. If you don't want your garbage to stink, here's another trick. You open, you know, BLG in bags. Fuck me, you fucking bag. Open the bag, bitch. Put it in there. Garbage no stink. We'll chuck this over out of the way. Chuck this over here. Okay. Very simple. Now you got your chicken fairly dry. Parmesan. 1 cup Parmesan cheese. It looks, I know, it's a little short. It'll work. Put it in. Poof. Just like that. You know how I measure garlic and stuff. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. You can put other seasonings in there too, but no salt. Haha. Salts have carburetors. Just like a fire truck. Put 1 teaspoon, about like that, garlic. Pooyah! Right in the bowl. Just like so. Dun, 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 dun. This is what helps bind your crust right here. This fell out of the asshole of a chicken on a farm somewhere. What's inside will never be alive again. No chance. They killed it at the farm. Now I'm making sure it's dead. It's the reassurance that there will not be a chicken from this thing act of 1873. Yes. That there is the sound of the oven. Coming up to 450 degrees. Ew. Well, here we go, folks. Look at this. Just start grinding this all together. Mush and stir, nothing to it. Just do this. You can use a spoon too. I just forgot to get one. Mush and stir, mush and stir, mush and stir, mush and stir, mush and stir. Get it all mixed up. You want everything mixed in good. Otherwise it's going to fall apart on you. We're going to mix it good. We're going to mix it real good like this. You can see when it starts changing color too with the cheese that you've got it all stirred together good. We're going to work at a good work over here. Get the egg, get everything going. Make sure everything is good like this. And I hope you can hear me. I'm trying to talk loud enough. I'm still getting used to the new camera. But much better angles, do you agree? You'd be looking at the side of the bowl with another camera on my laptop that I started using. You can let me know. There we go. Get it all mixed in here. Mixed in here. Push all the way through. It should turn into a bowl of smush. Like so. Just like this. Don't forget to rinse your little fingers when you get done either. Don't want the chickenitis, man. Should fuck you up. Chickenitis, not good for you. Alright, so what you end up with is a lump that looks like that, nicely mixed, see? You want to pour it out, piece of parchment paper. Boof! This gets off of me, I rinse my hands. Wash the chickenitis off the hands, damn it. Blah! Do this like so. I know, BLG, you're on the camera again. I always do that. Don't worry about it. I'm still here. You can hear me. I can see you. Well, I can see you. So can I. Finish drying me, BLG. God damn it, I'm soaked. And it's 35 degrees outside now, probably. In Florida. Yes, it does get cold. But it's going to be 50s or so today. Okay, so we take this. Smack us another piece over the top, thusly, like so. I think you can still see me. Smash her out like this. Remember, that's 1 pound of ground chicken. I think I told you. You can also buy the ground chicken at the store. Saves a step and less dishes. Get Mr. Rolling Pin. This thing again. And all the times that I've always been rolling shit out. This time I didn't put a damp towel under here. Oh well. We'll roll it out in the pizza crust shape. Thick or thin, thick crust, thin crust. It ain't gonna be perfect. It's just like a giant pie dough. Not Play-Doh. I've been there. I already said that joke before. Roll this out like so. And you have chicken pizza crust. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to ease this. Get off of me! Okay, you're going to ease this chicken crust here. Whoops. It's falling apart, folks. It's not on the paper properly. There. You ease this onto a pie sheet. Pie pan like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. Mash her down a little bit. It'll do just fine. This is going into the 450 degree oven. Yes, I know, chickenitis, BLG. I got you. I'm just doing this. I want it to cook kind of evenly here. That's close enough. Into the oven. This is going to go 20-25 minutes at 450 degrees until this will turn actually golden brown and kind of crisp up. So we will see you back here when this chicken crust comes out of that oven, and the fat man up there will show you what it looks like. So in about 20-25 minutes, I will let you know how long. So see you then. Bing! I think I heard a bing. And welcome back. It has been 25 minutes. This is a pretty big crust here, folks. But I let it go 25 minutes. Now, when you're ready to make your pizza, you got to let this cool off. It's like room temperature. Let it cool off. Do its thing. It'll also dry out. I took it out of the oven and I patted a little bit of extra oil, the extra grease, off the top of it. And while it's cooking, if it's bubbling, pretty much, like, let it go for a little bit. It'll slow down. The bubbles will slow down, folks. Trust me. Trust BLG. He knows these things. So anyways, hi, fog machine. Might as well. I don't mind if I do. So anyways, this will cool off. But when it cools off to room temperature, you're going to want to, or even while it's cooling off, if you're going to use like sausage or ham, if it's not pre-cooked from the store, bacon, anything like that that's not cooked product, you need to cook it first, just like a regular pizzeria. If it's pepperoni and it's already processed, of course, or something like that, you just put it on. But then you add your sauce, your toppings that you like, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you pre-cook your meats, like sausages and bacon and stuff. Pre-cook those. Just be watching yourself. If you want to put chicken on it, cook the chicken. Then you're going to put it all on your toppings, on your pizza, with your cheese and stuff like this. It's behind me right here. And then it's going to go oven back on to 425, and you're going to pop that bad boy back in, until the cheese is melted and bubbling. Pull it out. Get your pizza cutter, folks. You have a whatever toppings you like, low carb, pizza crusted crust. You can actually hold it like a piece of pizza. Low carb pizza crust, folks, from Hands On with BLG. I'm the Fat Man, the Florida Fat Man, BLG. I'm lefty, and I'm righty. I will show you this in just a second. I'm just doing the outro right now. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Hit the like buttons, subscribe, ring the little bells so you know when I'm doing a new episode. And we'll see you back here on the next exciting adventure episode and stuff. Hands On with BLG. Let's have a look at this right quick here. I got a new tripod too. This makes this really easy. Look. Zoom out, eh? Zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom in. Check out this here. Take a look at this. There's what she looks like right there. You see how it... Let me see if I can get this string out of the way. You see how it kind of cooked down? It started this big. This is what you got left. Look at that. A nice cooked pizza crust just for you. Oh, the puppies. Come here, boys. Here's the dingo. Come here, baby. Look at, say hi to everybody in the world. This is the dingo puppy. This is Dingo. He's a blue heeler. That's our younger puppy. Here comes the old man, Stu Man. That's the one that's getting ready to get his driver's license. He's Stuart Gilligan Griffin Gray the First. Try saying that 3 times. We call him the Stu Man, or just Stewie. And he's, I think, coming up on 6, and he's coming up on 16. And they're puppies. They're our boys. But anyways, hope you liked the episode, folks. And like I said, we'll see you back here next episode, Hands On with BLG. For now, I'm BLG. Bye.